Here's a look at your 7:00 a.m. weather conditions. At the International Airport in Brownsville, under cloudy skies, the temperature was 69 degrees, dew point 64, making the relative humidity 84%. Winds were from the southeast at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.11 and steady. And at the Valley International Airport in Harlingen, under partly cloudy skies, the temperature was 63 degrees, dew point 61, making the relative humidity 93%. Winds were from the southeast at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.11 and rising. The Brownsville climate summary for yesterday, December 22nd, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature of 76 degrees occurred at 2:25 p.m. This high was 3 degrees above the normal high of 73. The record high is 87 degrees, which was last set in 2017. Yesterday's low temperature of 65 degrees occurred at 6:43 a.m. This low was 11 degrees above the normal low of 54. The record low is 23 degrees, which was set in 1989. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 4.93 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 41.76 inches. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 16 miles an hour from the east. The highest wind gust observed was 20 miles per hour from the east, which occurred at 12:19 p.m. The normal high temperature for today is 73 degrees, and the normal low is 54. Sunset today is at 5:45 p.m. The Harlingen climate summary for yesterday, December 22nd, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 77 degrees. This high was 5 degrees above the normal high of 72. The record high is 89 degrees, which was set in 1948. Yesterday's low temperature was 59 degrees. This low was 8 degrees above the normal low of 51. The record low is 25 degrees, which was set in 1989. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 5.04 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 36.01 inches. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 18 miles an hour from the southeast. The highest wind gust observed was 24 miles per hour from the southeast, which occurred at 12:15 p.m. The normal high temperature for today is 72 degrees, and the normal low is 50. Sunset today is at 5:45 p.m. Weather conditions across the region at 7 o'clock a.m. In Harlingen, partly cloudy, temperature 63 degrees. Southeast wind at 8. Bayview, cloudy, temperature 67 degrees. Southeast wind at 6. Brownsville, cloudy, temperature 69 degrees. Southeast wind at 3. Matamoros, cloudy, temperature 66 degrees. Southeast wind at 3. McAllen, clear, temperature 63 degrees. Southeast wind at 7. Zapata, clear, temperature 58 degrees. Calm. Elsewhere across Texas at this hour, Laredo, mostly cloudy, 62 degrees. Del Rio, cloudy, 64 degrees. El Paso, partly cloudy, 38 degrees. Amarillo, partly cloudy, 38 degrees. At DFW Airport, cloudy, 55 degrees. Houston, mostly cloudy, 52 degrees. Austin, cloudy, 56 degrees. San Antonio, cloudy, 61 degrees. And in Corpus Christi, partly cloudy, 60 degrees. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Cameron and Willacy counties today. Partly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Christmas Day, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, mostly sunny with isolated showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night and Sunday, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Highs in the upper 70s. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio, broadcasting to the Rio Grande Valley from your National Weather Service in Brownsville. Here's a look at the latest available marine conditions at 7 o'clock a.m. 35 miles northeast of Port Mansfield, south wind at 16 knots, gusting to 17. Significant waves 4 feet, with a period of 6 seconds, air temperature 74 degrees. Predicted tides for the South Padre Island jetties. Today, a low at 4:26 a.m. A high at 10:37 a.m. A low at 2:32 p.m. Tonight, a high at 8:53 p.m. Tuesday, a low at 4:31 a.m. A high at 1:17 p.m. A low at 4:06 p.m. A high at 7:51 p.m. Water temperatures in the Bay near Port Isabel, 71 degrees. In the surf at South Padre Island, 69 degrees. Sunrise today at 7:13 a.m. Sunset today at 5:45 p.m. Here's a look at your 7:00 a.m. weather conditions.
That's it.